Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Lololonge Foam Cleaner is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning solutions you can add to your arsenal, tackling everything from stubborn grease on your stovetop to grime on your bathroom tiles with its powerful foaming action that lifts dirt away without harsh scrubbing, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining a spotless home and ensuring a healthier living environment for you and your family. Number 5. Affresh Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets. Tired of odors and grime lingering in your washing machine? Our powerful tablets are designed to reach deep inside, tackling buildup in the pump, valves, and hoses. These tablets work to power away odor-causing bacteria and tough grime that can accumulate over time. Enjoy a truly fresh and clean wash every time. No matter your machine type, our cleaner is suitable for all washers. This includes front load, top load, and he machines, ensuring a great clean for everyone. With a 6-month supply, you get 6-time release tablets for continuous cleaning power. Experience a pleasant, fresh aroma after each use. Its stylish and clean design complements any laundry space. Keep your machine running efficiently and smelling great with this easy-to-use solution. What we like? This cleaner is designed for deep cleaning of your washing machine. It helps power away odor-causing bacteria and grime from the pump, valve, and hoses. If you're looking for a long-term solution to keep your washing machine fresh and odor-free, this 6-month supply is a great choice. What people say. After just the first cleaning cycle with Affresh, the smell was completely gone. The drums smelled fresh and clean, and that freshness has carried over to our laundry as well. The tablets are incredibly easy to use. You simply drop one tablet into the drum, not the detergent dispenser, run a hot water cleaning cycle, and let it do all the work. No scrubbing, no mess, no complicated steps. It is specifically formulated to penetrate and dissolve the residue, grime, and odor-causing bacteria that builds up inside the drum, door seal, and hoses over time, areas that you simply cannot reach with regular cleaning. Number 4. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. Introducing the ultimate cleaning solution for your car's interior. It's designed to reach every nook and cranny, making detailing a breeze. Just press it into the cracks and pull away the dust. This cleaning putty makes picking up dirt incredibly easy, leaving your car spotless. Made from natural, scented materials, this cleaning compound is tough on dust but gentle on your car's surfaces. It's a car accessory you can trust. Keep using it until it turns black. Simply store it back in its container in a cool, dry place for multiple uses. It's a sustainable cleaning choice. This versatile cleaning gel isn't just for your car. Use it at home or in the office to clean keyboards, electronics, and furniture too. Looking for a unique gift? This makes an ideal present for men and women, perfect for Christmas or any occasion. It's a practical and thoughtful gadget. What we like? This cleaning gel is perfect for detailing the interior of your car. It's designed to get into all those nooks and crannies where dust and grime accumulate. If you're looking for an easy-to-use tool to keep your car's interior spotless, especially in hard-to-reach areas, this is the product for you. What people say. The foam cleaner is very effective at removing stains from various surfaces. It has a pleasant scent that leaves the area smelling fresh. The foam application makes it easy to target specific areas without dripping. Number 3. Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean. Experience a powerful clean that penetrates deep into fibers. It lifts dirt, debris, and stains, restoring surfaces to a like-new appearance. This cleaner is safe for both synthetic and natural fibers, ensuring no discoloration or fading. It's ideal for delicate interior fabrics and car seats. It effectively targets stubborn stains from coffee, soda, food, and pets. Plus, it neutralizes odors at the source, leaving a fresh citrus scent. Perfect for car interiors, RVs, boats, home furniture, and office chairs. It restores comfort and cleanliness to any fabric surface. Simply shake, dilute, agitate with a brush, and blot or vacuum. Achieve professional-level cleaning results without harsh chemicals. Our oxygen-infused cleaners create a foam that lifts and separates dirt. This makes cleaning carpets and upholstery significantly easier. What we like? This cleaner uses oxygen-infused foam to lift dirt and stains from fabric surfaces. It's safe for various materials and leaves a fresh citrus scent. If you need to tackle tough stains on car upholstery, carpets, or even home furniture, this versatile cleaner is an excellent option. What people say. Amazing gets the stains out very easily. If nothing gets the stains out of your cloth seats in your car, this will do it. This product is super effective. It's the only thing that actually gets the dirt out of my carpet, and you can see the results right away. I'm very impressed with how well this cleaner lifts dirt and freshens upholstery and carpets, leaving fabrics looking clean and smelling pleasantly citrusy. The foaming action helps loosen stains and odors effectively, and it's easy to apply and wipe away without leaving a sticky residue. Number 2. Frost King ACF 19 Foam Coil Cleaner. This heavy-duty foam cleaner is designed to tackle tough stains, grease, and oil. It effectively loosens dirt, leaving your surfaces spotless. It's perfect for cleaning coils, fan blades, and even reusable air filters. Get a comprehensive clean from multiple components. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. It neutralizes odors caused by standing water in drain pans, ensuring a fresh environment. Our air conditioner coil cleaner features a heavy-duty detergent with a low VOC formula. It's effective while being mindful of emissions. Enjoy a pleasant lemon fragrance after cleaning. It leaves behind a fresh, deodorized smell without any need for rinsing. What we like. This heavy-duty foam cleaner is specifically designed for cleaning coils, fan blades, and air filters. It dissolves stains, removes grease and oil, and neutralizes odors without needing a rinse. If you're looking to maintain your air conditioner's efficiency and leave it smelling fresh, this is the product to consider. What people say. The foam application system is incredibly effective at penetrating and lifting the stubborn dirt, debris, and buildup that accumulates on evaporator and condenser coils over time. Unlike liquid cleaners that run off quickly, this foam clings to surfaces long enough to break down contaminants thoroughly, ensuring complete cleaning rather than surface-level results. The cleaning action is powerful yet safe for coil materials, effectively removing buildup without causing corrosion or damage to delicate aluminum fins or copper tubing. The formulation appears specifically designed for HVAC applications rather than being a generic degreaser that might harm sensitive components. The foam fills the fins effectively and does a great job of pushing their debris out. Also, this product is rinse-free. Which was nice because I didn't have to drag a hose onto the roof and spray it into my air conditioning unit. Number 1. Tuff Stuff Multipurpose Foam Cleaner. Introducing Tuff Stuff Multipurpose Foam Cleaner, your all-in-one solution for tackling tough messes. This powerful foam cleaner is designed to work on a variety of surfaces, making cleaning effortless. Keep your car's interior looking its best. It effectively cleans car upholstery and carpets. Beyond the car, it's also ideal for refreshing your home furniture and carpets, bringing them back to life. Each can comes in a generous 22-ounce size, ensuring you have plenty of cleaning power for multiple uses. Its foam application makes it easy to target stains and dirt without oversaturation. Experience a deep clean with Tuff Stuff. What we like. This is a versatile foam cleaner that can be used on a variety of surfaces, including car interiors, furniture, and carpets. Its foaming action helps to lift dirt and grime effectively. If you need a single product that can handle cleaning tasks across different areas of your home and vehicle, this multi-purpose cleaner is a convenient choice. What people say. It's so simple to use and leaves no marks or anything. It leaves a clean smell and cleans so well. So much better than I could imagine. I used it on my car floors, my fabric seats, my weather mats. They all look so good. Love this stuff. I use it on my car floor rug mats after every season and they look brand new. They're tan so they get nasty after a winter season. I just spray it on and they use a really stiff hand cleaning brush and all the stains come right out and the smell is kind of an industrial clean scent. I also use it on my cheap couch to get water marks and other stains out easily. The foam expands nicely, clings to surfaces, and pulls dirt right out of upholstery and carpets. I used it on my car's cloth seats that had years of coffee stains and grime, and it made a night and day difference with minimal scrubbing. It also works surprisingly well indoors, on fabric chairs and even a small rug in the entryway. It doesn't leave behind a sticky residue, and the scent is clean without being overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.